Workflow at a standstill because of the Sqlvdi library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. I've mapped out the solution to fix Microsoft SQL conflict for good. Before we begin the manual steps for Sqlvdi library, check the description for a tool to help maintain a clean system environment. This is the Sqlvdi library, the SQL Virtual Device Interface, VDI. It manages the localized, unmanaged communication between localized SQL Server and third-party localized backup software for sector-level localized data link retrieval. Now let's get this fixed up. Our first move is installing a fresh, clean copy of the library. This is an OS-level file error that requires a system integrity scan. Open Command Prompt as an administrator and run sfc/scan now to allow Windows to verify its core files and automatically restore Sqlvdi library DLL. Should the file remain missing after a reinstall, we need to ensure that the operating system is forced to re-index its shared library paths. A full system restart clears the temporary memory cache and allows Windows to attempt a fresh initialization of all required libraries, including Sqlvdi library. Before you reboot, make sure to bookmark this video or click the like button so you can easily find your way back to the next step once your PC is back up and running. Restarting doesn't always catch everything. If you're still having trouble, let's try this next step together. And if you need to pause the video, I'm not going anywhere. Since a standard reboot didn't restore the system manifests, we need to perform a deep repair of the Windows image. First, open Command Prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type dism/online//cleanup-image/restore health, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, this forces Windows to download a fresh master copy of the system manifests from Microsoft servers to replace corrupted source files that SFC can't fix on its own. A brief word of caution: not all solutions found online adhere to professional security standards. Manual intervention with Sqlvdi library DLL is dangerous because it can overwrite newer, secure versions of the file with older, vulnerable ones. For a comprehensive approach to system health, I recommend incorporating a verified maintenance protocol into your routine. Streamline background processes by reviewing the maintenance utility linked below for Sqlvdi library. By subscribing, you're ensuring that the next time you encounter Sqlvdi library critical error, you'll have a trusted expert ready to help.